I'm Tack Renato with Florida Home Improvements, and today we're with Steve and we're here at his installation. Things are going really well today.
They're doing absolutely a lot more work than I thought was to do this, but yeah, doing a great job.
Yeah, we were talking earlier about how happy you were with how everything's were going, and what were some of the reasons why you decided to move forward with the project?
Well, I think you had some good people that first came out here to present your product, and I said we did some interviews, and we also did some research on the internet to look at what the products are. And you have one heck of a warranty, better than the industry that I've seen before. And your reputation was good.
We have a great relationship with several different manufacturers, but one in particular gives us a great warranty option if the homeowner likes that window. With custom window systems, the product is fully guaranteed for lifetime, and it's transferable to the next homeowner.
That is important from my perspective, and that was the tipping scale.
Okay. One of the reasons you wanted to change out your windows you had discussed earlier was what you had noticed that it was the original construction and you were starting to have problems with it?
Yeah, we were having some problems with it. It looks like the caulking's starting to give way. And these were single pane glass when we first installed them back in 1978. And the other part was we're tired of trying to put plywood up every time we had a wind blowing over 40 miles an hour out here. So this gives me peace of mind.
You're good.
Yeah.
You ordered great hurricane windows, and I love the fact that we went with the bronze frame, and it's fully guaranteed. If it were to fade or discolor, it's fully guaranteed. And also you went with an energy efficient glass pack too. It's going to make your home a little bit more comfortable.
Because we have a lot of glass in the property, and so that was really important for us to deal with that. Again, the reputation really preceded you, and that's one of the reasons we came with you.
I really appreciate it. I know with our relationship with the wholesale clubs, we're able to come in with a competitive pricing. It really helps to have that association with the wholesale clubs and provides us the great relationships with the manufacturers as well.
Right.
So we appreciate you choosing Florida Home Improvements, and I'm glad everything's going so well.
Good. Thank you.